Well, Dubai's got a new service now in the form of these Careem bikes. They're quite cost effective too, because if you do your maths properly and get a longer plan, you can bring the cost of your commute down to 1 dirham a day.
After you get off a metro or a bus, there's still that last mile to get to your door, whether it is your house or the office door. Even there's tourists who want to move around, explore the city, and do some activity at the same time, then a tourist can use this. But also the business people, the commuters that go back and forth from work every day can also use this in an affordable way and also a healthy way.
Well, most long-term Dubai residents would be looking at this service and thinking that this is not something very new, because we've had something similar well before. Well, this time round, you don't need to remember any of your passwords or scan your credit card in a machine, because all you need is a Careem Bike app, which gives you all the locations. You use the QR code scanner and scan the QR code on the bike, and it will undock for you. And you can just ride away and get on with your journey.
The pricing schemes were designed in a way that everyone can afford the bike, whether it's for a daily use or for an annual use. Our annual package comes down to nearly a dirham a day. In terms of usage, I can tell you two things. One is we had over 2,000 downloads of the application and purchase of packages before we even went live, which just shows you how excited the city of Dubai and its residents are. In terms of how many trips have been taken, I can tell you that what we did in the first day was more than what we did in ride-hailing in the first year. But what it does is you get on the bike and a couple of pedals, and all of a sudden the bike picks up speed by itself, and it really lessens the effort you need to do in terms of pedaling to get to where you are.